Third lecture on sequence and series. In the previous lecture, we had talked about the nth term or general term of the AP. Now the selection of terms in AP. The following ways of selecting terms are generally very convenient. If the number of terms is 3, then the terms in AP is A minus D, A and A plus D. So common difference of these three terms, or we can say the common difference of an AP is given by A minus A and minus minus, that is plus, plus D. The common difference will be D. If number of terms is 4, then terms of an AP A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D and A plus 3D. Here common difference for the AP is given by 2D. If the number of terms is 5, then A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D and A plus 2D. Common difference is D. If you can assume an AP, then there is a short trick, or short, we can say the short concept for assuming the AP. If A, B, C are in AP, then we can assume value of A is equal to 1, value of B is equal to 2 and value of C is equal to 3 always. Now sum of n terms of an AP. Sum of n terms of an AP Sn is given by n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where n is the number of terms of an AP, A is the first term of an AP, D is the common difference of an AP. If you don't know the common difference, then there is another formula, that is Sn equal to n by 2 a plus l, where the new term l is the last term of an AP. In this formula, there are 4 quantities like Sn, sum of the terms, A first term, and number of term, and D common difference. If any 3 of these are known, the fourth can be determined. Sometimes 2 of these quantities are given. In such cases, remaining 2 quantities are provided by some other conditions. Now the concept is, a sequence is an AP if the sum of its n term is of the form an square plus bn, or in the form of a quadratic equation, that is the degree of variable n is 2, means in quadratic equation. In such a case, the common difference is twice the coefficient of n square. Like solution, if Sn is given by 3n square plus 2n, then we can say that it is the sum of n terms of an AP with common difference 6. If Sn given by 3n square plus 2n, then we can say that it is the sum of the AP with common difference is given by twice of the coefficient of n square, then twice of the coefficient of n square. Another concept in line, in an AP the sum of the terms equidistant from the beginning and end is always the same and is equal to the sum of the first and last term. If A1, A2, A3 and so on, an minus 1, an are in AP, then the sum of the first and last term A1 plus an, or we can say the sum of the terms equidistant from the beginning and end. So A1 plus an is equal to A2 plus an minus 1 is equal to A3 plus an minus 2 and so on. Question on that, find the sum of the first 24 terms of the AP. So AP is A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on, A22, A23, A24. If it is known that A1 plus A5, 10, 15, 20, 24 is equal to 225, let's solution of this question. We know that the first and the last term, sum of the first and the last term, or we can say the sum of the equidistant term is always same, then A1 plus A24 is equal to A5 plus A20 is equal to A10 plus A15, or we can say A1 plus A5 plus A10 plus A15 plus A20 plus A24 is equal to 225. That is given in question. This is equation 1. Now we know that A1 plus A24 plus A5 plus A20 plus A10 plus A15 are same, then we can say thrice of A1 plus A24 is equal to 225, or A1 plus A24 is equal to 225 whole divided by 3, that is 75. Then the sum of first 24 terms is given by 24 divided by 2 A1 plus A24. This is the formula, that is A1 is the first term and A24 is the last term. Okay, the second formula for sum of the AP. Now Sn is equal to 12 into 75, that is 900. And AP is equal to the sum, same as the sum of the 5 term, then find the sum of the 11 term. So solution. So S6 is equal to S5. S6 means 6 by 2, that is n by 2, 2a plus 6 minus 1 into d is equal to 5 by 2, 2a plus 5 minus 1 into d. So 12a plus 5d, the 30d is equal to 10a, 5 to the 10, and 4d, that is 20d. From here 12a minus 10a, that is 2a, and 30d minus 20d, that is 10d, is equal to 0. Now for S11, 11 by 2, 2a plus 11 minus 1 into d, or we can say 11 by 2, 2a plus 10d. Value of 2a plus 10d is 0, then the sum of 11 term is 0. Sn equal to 0. S11 equal to 0. So there is a concept that we have found concept from question. The concept is, if the sum of m terms of an AP is the same as the sum of its n terms, then sum of its m plus n terms is always equal to 0. That is the important concept you have to remember. If the sum of the m terms of an AP is the same as the sum of n terms, then the sum of its m plus n terms is always equal to 0. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, stay tuned with Quantapty.